Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beignets in Dreamlight Valley. We'll cover everything from gathering the 3 essential ingredients to the simple cooking process. Get ready to create this delightful 3-star dessert that offers a fantastic energy boost and can be a great source of coins. Let's dive into the magical world of cooking and bring some sweetness to your valley. To begin your beignet adventure, you'll need 3 key items. First, 1 canola, which you can harvest from the Forest of Valor or the Sunlit Plateau. Next, grab 1 egg, readily available for purchase inside Remai's restaurant. Finally, secure 1 sugarcane, a crop that thrives in the sandy shores of Dazzle Beach. Gather these and you're halfway there. With your ingredients in hand, head to any cooking station. Simply place your 1 canola, 1 egg, and 1 sugarcane into the pot. It's a straightforward process that quickly transforms these items into a delicious beignet. This 3-star recipe is easy to master and will soon become a favorite in your culinary repertoire. Enjoy the magic of cooking. Once cooked, your beignets offer fantastic benefits. Each one restores an impressive 1,256 energy, perfect for extended adventures. If you're looking to earn some extra currency, you can sell them for a generous 600 coins at any goofy stall. Plus, they make wonderful gifts for your valley residents, spreading joy and friendship.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.